So how do you log in to Game Center on the iPad, right? So there are some more options and it has been changed recently with the latest iPad OS, which is the iPad OS 26 and also the iOS 26. But you can open up the App Store on your devices and tap on your profile picture. Right below your name, you should be able to see the link to the Game Center. So in the latest version of iPad, it's gonna just open up the Games app, which is something I wanted to get into. And the Games app is like the new user interface where you basically have all of the things put together. Like it is the place where you have the games from App Store, Apple Arcade, and Game Center put together into one app. So you can most definitely log in right here and have access to all of the games and all of the stats right inside of the new Games app. But on the older versions of iPad OS, you should still be able to find it inside of the settings. Like it is also part of the latest iPad OS in the settings where you can check out your profile, customize it, and even log in or sign out or do whatever you need. So as you can see, you have more places how you can actually get into it, right? So either, as I said, go through the settings or locate the dedicated Games app where you also have access to all of the things that you might need. So it's pretty simple like that. Game Center, to be honest, hasn't really been used that much by me in the past. I don't know if people actually use it, but let me know what you think below. If it's a thing that people actually just use to share their stats with or whatever, let me know about that. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your feedback. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.